only for clarification, what has just been defined in the flood directive, and your proposal will be, this is not in the core of the implementation rule. Yes. Okay.
Good. Yes, please.
Yes, a comment, because I think it's a good illustration of what we are looking for, Inspire on reporting. We have a core team which is expandable to, for example, flood directive, but we have a clear separation between the rules and the technical guidelines. And last but not least, the technical guidelines were drawn by a common team. We're in a collaborative work between thematic experts and Inspire experts. And if all specification could be constructed under this organization, I think we can be optimistic for the adoption of the regulations.
Thanks very much. Any other comments or questions?